Hi there guys, it's Peter Jan here. We are in the Eskort kitchen and it is holiday hungries. That means we are bringing you recipes to bring with you when you go to visit your friends. It's the end of the year, it's social events, and then everyone leaves for holiday. So this is what you take. Recipes from the Eskort kitchen. For the bacon and calamari, we have Eskort, that's us. Beautiful, rindless, streaky bacon. So this is my favorite bacon. We are going to fry this until it is nice and crispy. So as always, when you want your bacon crispy, it goes into a cold pan. Then you heat the pan, it renders out your fat of your bacon. If you add your bacon to a hot pan, you will see it shrivel up. And then it will burn before the fat has time to render out, because it sears the meat, it shocks the meat, and that's why it shrieks up. Is that a word? Doesn't shriek up. It's not my fault, I'm not English. It will shrivel. Bacon into the pan, add the pan to the heat, and wait for it to crispy up. So we obviously said something about calamari. We've got some calamari, we've got squid tubes in here and little squid heads. Calamari, I'm just adding some olive oil to the calamari. Fat cooks. Okay, so just add a little bit of olive oil to your calamari. And then we've got a beautiful sauce that we are going to make with this. We are doing garlic, black pepper, cayenne pepper, not too much. We've got some lemon juice. And then we have some melted butter. Okay, this I'm just quickly going to pulse with the stick blender. Okay, it's just to incorporate everything together and make one sauce. There we go. It smells beautiful, I'm just saying. The bacon is crisping up. This you can serve with some crusty bread. Obviously I'm doing ciabatta. Like always, beautiful, trusty, crusty ciabatta. Okay. What's nice about this is when the bread gets a little bit stale, I can't walk past bread without buying it. It doesn't matter, I don't eat bread, but I have to buy it. So even if it gets a little bit staley, you can use this because it has a beautiful sauce that goes with it, and the bread will just soak up all of that sauce. Okay. Pack the bread, you can take it with when you go. There we go, this looks beautiful. And it's just bread. So in the pan you will see that the bacon makes a nice brown situation that sticks to the pan. Okay, that's the fat, that's the flavor. We are going to fry the calamari in this, and it's going to absorb this flavor that comes from the bacon. Okay guys, so the bacon is starting to make the right sound, nice and crispy. I'm going to take this out, and then to the calamari, just a little bit of salt, just some seasoning, a little bit of pepper. There we go. So I want to wait until I see smoke coming from the pan. We need this to be really hot. I cannot stretch the facts. Okay, so I can see a little smoke happening. All my glasses are dirty. Is it smoke? Smoke. Is it smoky? Yes. Okay. So to this pan, as soon as you can and as graciously as possible. Okay. Calamari. Okay. I'm going to add the sauce. Okay. The sauce is not here to cook with the calamari. It's just here to coat it. The second you see bubbles on the middle of the pan, this is ready. Okay. It's going to heat through. We want some bubbles in the middle of the pan to show us that it cooked there. And then we are done. Okay. I'm switching the heat off. It seems quick. It's done, I promise you. Okay. Beautiful bowl. Sauce. Okay. To this, I'm adding the bacon. Okay. You can serve this with some extra lemon. And you are done. There we go. Can we taste this? Oh. Look at this sauce. This is what we call surf and turf. We bring the turf, you buy the surf, and you put some bread with it. It's beautiful. The second you overcook this, it's going to be very rubbery. You're going to have to borrow your grandfather's teeth. It's not going to work. Okay, enjoy. And the smokiness with this bacon situation, it's just the best.